Hi, I'm Joe, and I bought this coat 30 years ago. It survived 3 decades of wind, salt, snow, rain, more wind, anything that could have got thrown at it, got thrown at it. And it survived for 3 decades because it was designed to survive for 3 decades. The stitching is still great. The brass snaps still work. The brass zipper still works great. Not even an ounce of corrosion on it. This jacket was built to last. That standard doesn't exist anymore. Modern gear is built to be replaced, not inherited. They sell you fast fashion disguised as workwear, and I'm tired of it. So I built a replacement myself. My goal isn't just to make clothes, it's to engineer gear that survives the unforgiving extremes of the Great Lakes. From the humid, stormy heat of July to the first gales of November, we don't cut corners, we reinforce them. If you're done with disposable gear and you want equipment that's durable enough to be a hand-me-down and not a throwaway, then join the crew. Secure your gear. The new standard has set sail.